Okay, hello to whoever's watching this. Okay, right now the time is 5 and the date is I think 28 or 29. Yeah, date is 29th of June. And you must be thinking, why am I vlogging in the middle of nowhere? Okay, so this is a national highway over here. Okay, you can see. So actually I had a competition right before this. Okay, so I was at my cubing comp till 3:30, and after 3:30 I left for college. Okay, I left for hostel in bus. Okay, and I decided that since I wasn't going from home, I was going from the competition venue to hostel. So I decided to take a different route than what I usually do, and I fucked up a little bit. Okay, so thing what happened is that now there are two routes to reach college. Okay, one is the usual one which I take, that is Devnahalli to Hebbal and Hebbal to home. That's one. Okay, and second one is the one which I tried taking today, that is Devnahalli to Dodbalapura, Dodbalapur to Yelahanka, and Yelahanka to home. Okay, so now Yelahanka to home, I mean home to Yelahanka was all good because that's where the competition venue was. Okay, but from Yelahanka to Dodbalapura also was fine. Okay, until I realized there are actually two bus stops named Dodbalapura. Apparently there's one old one and one new one. Okay, and I was supposed to get down at the new one, but I got down at the old one. All right, and so the next bus that would go to hostel was 15 minutes. Okay, it was scheduled at 15 minutes, which now if I think of it, I think I should have waited. Okay, but unfortunately there's a fucking dog over there which looks like a tiger to me. I'm shitting in my pants. That thing looks scary as hell. Hope it didn't see me. Let's just keep going, we'll ignore it. Okay, alright. So I was too lazy to wait for 15 minutes, and then I just thought, why not just take a sharing auto till college. Okay, and that's where my mistake started. Okay, so I found a sharing auto. I told him the place that I wanted to go, and he told yeah. Okay, so I was like, alright, for 20 bucks it's quite good. 20 bucks in fact is like excellent price. Okay, because I think even if I would go by bus, it would cost me more than 20 bucks. So I was like, okay, this is actually damn good. Let's go by this sharing auto. Alright, and then if you know the procedure of sharing auto, it's like 6-7 people who have to go to different places, all go together, right? It's basically like carpooling. So what happened is that there were like I think 5 people with me, which I don't mind. Okay, there's no problem in sharing. Alright, problem was I was the last one somehow. Okay, and as soon as the second last person went, when I was the last one, I just reconfirmed and asked him, okay, that do you know where we are going? Okay, and he's like yes. Okay, and then it didn't take me long to realize that this bastard was going the opposite way of where we are supposed to go. Okay, because the last time I checked, I was 14 kilometers away from college, and then now when I checked, now in the sense the next time when I checked, I was 17 fucking kilometers away from college on a fucking national highway. On a fucking national highway, I'm 17 kilometers away from college. Okay, so obviously I just told that fucker to stop. I was like, I wanna be here itself. I gave him 20 bucks, and then that guy left. Okay, God knows if I would have left him, he would have fucking dropped me in Sri Lanka or something. Alright, so now I'm on the highway, 17 kilometers away from college, and now there's no fucking way I'm gonna walk 17 kilometers. So I thought, why not, pay and get an Uber or a Rapido or something. But this place has none of it. There's no Uber, there's no Rapido, there's nothing. The closest bus stop that I saw was 2 kilometers away. Okay, 2 kilometers away is the fucking closest bus stop. I can see people staring at me. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm holding a camera and vlogging this. Okay, and now we are 350 meters away from the closest bus stop. Fucking hell, bro, that's a dog. Okay, so we are 350 meters away from the bus stop. Mother, nigga, there's space. Just go. Okay. Alright. And we are going to a completely unknown place to me. It's called Kantana Kunte. I have no idea what that means. Okay. So from there we are up again supposed to go to the old bus stand of Dodbalapur, which I begun from, which all this started from. Then I'm supposed to go there again, from there to the new one, and from there I'm supposed to go to college. A full circle thing, So now I've almost walked my 2 kilometers, and we are almost at the bus stop. I don't see a bus stop anywhere, but I think it should be somewhere here. Otherwise I think I'll probably have to ask someone. But the problem is that I don't see anyone over here. I don't see any shop or any person that I can ask. Though I can see a town kind of a place, which I think is quite useful in this situation. Motherfucker. Okay. There are two dogs as well, and we are 200 meters away from the bus stop. I can't see till 200 meters far, but I sure can't see a bus stop. Okay. So again, we are going to Dodbalapur old bus stand, and then we are going to Dodbalapur new bus stand, and from there we are going to our college. It's a whole big, route again. But this at least gave me a chance to vlog and not get bored. The weather looks pretty good, unless it starts raining, which I think it will. But I'm happy it hasn't yet started raining. That's a good thing. Okay. And I can't tell you how many times I've felt that I'm gonna get raped or robbed in this process after reaching the bus stand, because everyone's just creeped out by seeing a guy with headphones for some reason. Alright, so now that I'm at 100 meters away from the bus stand, I think now is a safe time to close my camera before I get mugged. Alright, so yeah, see you guys. This was the vlog, probably the end of the vlog, unless I fuck up my way again. So yeah, see you.